In this SiteZio review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to build profitable ClickBank affiliate sites that get free traffic and you don't even have to create any of the content. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you how you can get a discount on this and on every single one of the OTOs. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out SiteZio, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page on it. I have a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you pick this up through my link. All these bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says a new software builds beginner-friendly, 100% automated, profitable ClickBank affiliate sites in 90 seconds with free traffic and content, even if you've never built a site before. Creates multiple profitable automated sites. It will create, you can do 10 with the front end offer, and I'll talk about the OTOs in a second. Perfect for beginners. You don't have to write any content manually or do any SEO, fresh content, free traffic built in, automated site with free daily traffic, etc., etc. So essentially, what is this? This is a WordPress plugin that you install on a WordPress website in order to have that site automatically create these ClickBank affiliate sites for you. So I'm going to say that again, it's WordPress. So you will need to have a WordPress website to make this work. But I've said this over and over again. If you don't have a WordPress website yet, you should. It's really cheap. You can set them up really quickly. You should have a WordPress website. So that shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. Now, these are income-proof shots. These are shots that Igor has told me are from this here. So he says he's making money. I mean, this isn't crazy amounts of money here, $200 a day, 290, 240. It's realistic amounts. So I don't have any reason not to believe this. It's not like it's like saying it's making $25,000 a day. So these are realistic amounts of money, free Google and social media traffic or affiliate commissions from this. You can say that these famous sites figured it out. So these are famous sites that are making money from doing ClickBank marketing. The nice thing about ClickBank, by the way, is that you don't have to worry about getting approved for the affiliate links. For most of the offers, it's automatic approval. So you don't have to worry about that when you compare it to places like JVZoo and Warrior Plus, where you need to get approval. Let's see here. You've got the WordPress plugin integrated with ClickBank. And it says you can use any affiliate program. So you can use other different programs, but they made this for ClickBank. Automatic content spinning for those of you that are worried about duplicate content. Auto posting built in, regular software updates. You can build an email list with it, etc. And I'm going to kind of scroll down here and show you this right here. Okay, so on the front end, you can get a one-site license or a multi-site license. Here, the multi is 10 sites. With this, most people end up getting this one because it's just you get some extra stuff with it, and it's just like a dollar more expensive. One thing I will show you though is when you come to this page, make sure that you move your mouse away. You can get $2 off. And I want you to get that discount on it. I make less as an affiliate, just a little bit less, but you get a better price on it. Give me a like if you like that I show you that there are discounts on this here. So that's the front end offer. What I'm going to do now is I want to show you a quick demo of the software, and then I'm going to come back and show you an actual example website and all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on them.
Hi, this is Igor Bourbon, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to build money-making websites with our brand new software SiteZio. Once you're inside your WordPress admin area, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Settings. This is where you'll need to add your ClickBank affiliate ID and where you can tweak a few other things. You'll find a Google Translate feature here, which is optional. If you want to build a site in other languages than English, this is where you can do that. And by the way, everything you need to know about these settings is covered in the training videos here. Okay, so once you've taken care of settings, head over to Manage Campaign and click this big blue button on the top. We're going to set up a new content campaign that will work quietly behind the scenes and automatically add new affiliate posts to your site. So let's give this campaign a name. I'm gonna go with diets. People are always looking to lose some weight, so let's add a campaign for that. Then let's choose which ClickBank category we want to promote products from. I'll choose diets and weight loss, which is under health and fitness category. Next, we have an option to narrow down the products even further by providing a keyword. For example, you could focus on some specific diet like keto or vegan diet. I don't have any preference for this demo, so let's just go with something generic like just diet. Then we need to pick which category on our site these new posts should be added to. I'll stick with health and fitness. There are a few options here that let you add the most popular ClickBank products first, or what's currently selling the best. I'm gonna go with popularity, so the most popular products appear on our site first. And finally, we have post status, and I want my new post to be published right away, so let's leave it as it is. Click Save Campaign and give it a few seconds. And as soon as you do that, the plugin will start pulling all the top ClickBank products from this new campaign and posting them to your site. Let's hit refresh on our demo site and just look at that. In just a couple of minutes, we were able to create a site with some awesome content with your affiliate links inside. And every time somebody comes to your site, clicks on your affiliate link and buys, you earn commission. In addition to that, you can earn from banner clicks and even other affiliate platforms. So that's just a quick demo of how the plugin works. There are some other cool features waiting for you, like ability to translate posts to other languages, use a text spinner. You can use a keyword replacer and link any word or a phrase inside your post to your affiliate links, plus many more money-making features. The special launch discount is ending soon, so go ahead and grab your download and start earning with your own money-making website today.
Okay, so here's an actual example site built with this here. You can see you've got places to put in your different ads here. It makes the content for you. It makes the different posts for you. It's got your affiliate link automatically added in here. Really easy to set up, and it creates like nice affiliate websites for you. The back end area, really simple to use, as you saw in the demo. They've just got everything in here. Again, it's in a WordPress website. They've got training and tutorials, so it's easy to follow. Now, there are 4 OTOs and upgrades. So the first one here, and I move my mouse away, you can get a $10 discount off of it. So make sure you move your mouse away on this one. You can get a discount on it. This one is going to give you the premium version. Inside the premium version, let's see here, what did it just do? Oh, inside the premium version here, it's going to auto create news from hundreds of news sources, fresh content from 700 RSS feeds. It's going to give you, look, all these different automations here with that one here. And this one's actually, there should have been an unlimited license. I think it's gone over here. So the first one is unlimited, and then the other one is automated there. So just so you know, with this, and now it's kind of going. It's refreshing and doing some crazy stuff here. But anyways, just so you know, there's an unlimited version, there's an automated version for this. There's also a white label version with this. You can sell and keep 100% of the profits. This one's a little bit more expensive, but you can actually sell the plugin. You can sell, it has white label rights. You can upload your own logo, use your own custom domain, and really sell it like it's your own, and have unlimited accounts with this as well. So again, there's multiple upgrades here. They're all completely optional, but they're not super expensive. There are discounts that you can get, again, if you move your mouse away. They're completely optional. You don't need them to make the software work. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. So what do I like about SiteZio and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, I guess you do need to have a WordPress website to make this work. It's not a cloud-based software, so you will need to have that website set up to make this work. And don't expect that you're going to make $1 million overnight. That's not going to work. The way that you will make money with this is if you constantly have this running and you are building up websites. If you're building up different websites with it, multiple websites, you're going to have more of a chance of ranking in Google, more of a chance of getting free traffic. What do I like about this? I like these automated affiliate sites, especially for people that don't have time to do what I'm doing right now, do videos. If you have time to do videos like this, you could actually use videos in order to send more traffic to your websites. That could be another way of sending traffic to it if you want to do videos, but not everyone has time to do them. So if you don't have time to do that, this is a great way of setting up these sites without having to do a ton of work. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at SiteZio, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you have made it this far, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.